Welcome to Dongguan Chfine Luggages and Cases Company Limited. Located in Hujia Town, Dongguan City, it enjoys convenient transportation and developed information. Since the establishment of the factory in 2008, Chfine Case has been committed to becoming a one-stop solution provider for EVA cases. Over the years, we have always insisted on innovation and quality, and gradually moved towards the global market. So far, we have successfully served customers from more than 50 countries and regions around the world, and provided more than 5,000 customers with tens of thousands of EVA case solutions. Our products are widely used in various industries, meeting the customization needs of customers in different industries. Our independent R&D and design team is the core force of the company's development. The team consists of a group of creative and experienced designers who are committed to tailoring unique EVA case solutions for each customer. At Chfine Case, we have an independent laboratory equipped with advanced testing equipment to strictly control every production process to ensure that every product meets the highest quality standards. Quality is our lifeline and our commitment to our customers. Chfine Case has a complete production line. From design, proofing, production to packaging, every link is completed within the company, ensuring an efficient and smooth production process and providing customers with one-stop service. In order to better serve our customers, we also provide 7/24 customer service. No matter when and where you encounter problems, our customer service team is always on call to solve your worries. Chfine Case has rich experience in design, customization, processing and production of EVA carrying case. We have successfully provided high-quality products to various customers, covering technology products, fashion accessories, travel goods and other fields. Every successful case is a testimony to our strength. Dongguan Chfine Luggages and Cases Company Limited has always been adhering to the concept of innovation, quality and service, and is committed to providing the best EVA case solutions to customers around the world. We look forward to cooperating with you to create a more brilliant future together.